Hi beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make Cardib's DIY hair mask. So some time ago, Cardi took to her IG page and mentioned how she treats her hair, hers and her baby girl's hair, and then she didn't lose hair even when she had her baby boy. There was no such thing as postpartum hair loss for her. Rather, she grew out her hair. So she took to her IG page and then mentioned the ingredients that she used for this particular DIY hair mask. And now this particular DIY hair mask includes 2 avocado pear, argan oil, olive oil, castor oil, a scoop full of mayonnaise, a little bit of honey, and then 1 banana. Also 2 eggs, adding 2 eggs to it. Now all you need to do for the preparation is to get all the mentioned ingredients into your blender and then blend them properly. Blend it as smooth as possible so you don't get residues in your hair. Now for the oils, you can use any oil of your choice, but be sure to add castor oil to it. You can skip olive oil, you can use coconut oil, you can use jojoba oil, you can use almond oil. Now any carrier oil of your choice that you've got, you can use that, but be sure to add castor oil to it. Now on the oil and the mayo, she doesn't skimp on the oil and mayo. The mayo should be like a tablespoonful of the mayo and then enough oil. But when it comes to the honey, it should be little quantity so it wouldn't get your hair all sticky and all that. So I'm going to add all the mentioned ingredients into my blender and I'm going to blend it. After blending it, I go on ahead to transfer it into my bowl and it looks creamy. This is what it looks like. It looks creamy, thick, and it also looks edible. Of course it's edible. You just made it out of the things from your kitchen. Okay guys, that's done. It is over full. Obviously I can't get all that into my hair. It's going to be wasteful. So I went on ahead to transfer some of it into my airtight container that has a cover. So that is what you need. Obviously this combo, well, she said I should use it for her and her daughter. So if you're using this alone, you can as well use it twice. All you need to do is to store the extra in your refrigerator for the next time you'll be deep conditioning. Now, this is my freshly washed hair. Yes, according to Cardi, she uses it on a washed hair and on a clean hair, not on a dirty hair. So if you have in mind to, when you loosen your hair, you use this combination, please do well to wash your hair. Make sure your hair is clean, your scalp is clean to be able to accommodate the benefits, the beneficial things that are going to come in from this mixture, which contains avocado. Avocado is a great source of biotin, which is one of the major needs for hair growth. Avocado nourishes and strengthens your hair. It smooths hair and boosts shine because of the potassium and magnesium in it. It also encourages hair growth, prevents hair loss. It protects against damage. It promotes healthy scalp. Now, avocado is very beneficial for all hair types, but those with dry and coarse hair will benefit the most from avocado because it will take your hair strands texture from straw-like to cashmere soft. Also, if your hair needs a boost of hydration, get avocado into your hair. Also, it's this combination contains egg. Egg helps in thickening of hair. It also contains biotin, which aids greatly in hair growth. It promotes hair shine, prevents dryness of hair, and of course, it is protein. And no matter how difficult your hair is, it must succumb to protein treatment, but don't overuse it, okay? Next, another one of the ingredients that this combo contains that is greatly effective for the hair is banana. Banana helps to condition and soften your hair. It makes hair thicker and stronger, heals flaky and dry scalp, and relieves hair dandruff symptoms. So then we also have honey, which is really good for moisturizing. And then we have the oils, the castor oil, argan oil, and olive oil, which have their good benefits to the hair. Now for the application of the mask, you'd be sure that all strands of your hair, all texture and strands of your hair got the mask on them. Now if it will be easier for you to section before you apply, beautiful. But if you can't section before applying, it's still okay. But whatever you do, in whatever case scenario you do, make sure that all the strands of your hair get the mask on it. Also get it to your scalp. It is very, very important. Now, as you can see, my hair is practically just singled out, no freezing. And when you compare it to the one that doesn't have the mask on it, you see the huge difference. So now I've gotten all strands of my hair. This is me trying to make sure that all parts of my head gets the mask on it. The scalp, the tresses, the strands, all parts of the hair has the mask on it. As you're enjoying the video, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. There on your interface, there is subscribe written with red color. Click on it and that's it. You've subscribed. It doesn't cost you a thing. All you have to do is just click on it. Matter of fact, it benefits you instead of costing you something, because then whenever I post a new video, you'll get the notification that I've posted a new video, and trust me, it is something you definitely fancy. And you can also share the video. You can also hit that like button. Then also there on your interface, the icon with the thumbs up, there is your like button. Click on it and then you've also liked this video. Okay guys, so I've gotten all parts of my hair. I've covered all parts of my hair with the mask, and I am going to go ahead and cover it with nylon, then shower cap, so that I'll be sure that it steams quite well. My steaming cap is not available right now, but if you have a steaming cap, of course you can use your steaming cap. Then leave it on for like 20 to 30 minutes, but tops you can leave it for 15 minutes. Remember, too much of anything is bad, so don't overdo this. No matter how good it is, just don't overdo it. Now this is the remnant. I'm gonna go ahead and add it to the one that I separated earlier and stored in my fridge. Now I've rinsed it off. I rinsed it off with just water. Now this is what my hair looks like. As you can see, it is not frizzy. My hair is just on its own. It's very easy to work with as it is now. So I suggest you try out this DIY recipe. It's a DIY. You can do it in your kitchen. You can do it in your house. Now, after rinsing it off, I went ahead to use my leave-in conditioner, my oil, and also my hair butter to work on my hair. After washing my hair or after rinsing off my hair, this is the method I use to moisturize. It's on a damp hair, I apply leave-in conditioner. The next thing is oil, and the next thing that follows it is a hair butter or a hair cream, and then puts my hair in a protective style, just the way I'd want it to be. I guess I changed my mind about the protective style to wear, but of course you can choose any protective style to wear. So that's it, guys, for this video. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Also, don't forget to share, and also don't forget to like. You can also try out this DIY. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.